By early September, those leeks that haven't been thinned out yet are sizing up quite nicely, and at this point, reducing competition will only help our seed crop of oca. You can see some of the seed heads starting to form on these leeks, which means that they're going to get pretty fibrous pretty soon. So we'll do our second to last leek harvest, I think, which the oca will appreciate. It's really that time of year where the oca likes taking off. And I can get a feel for the soil moisture content as I examine the roots as I harvest these, right? Seems to be pretty decent. The days are getting shorter. There's less demand on the moisture reserves in the soil,